Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we have a clear comfort system, AOP, top of the line, pretty sweet system. We have multiple videos out there, but I'm going to show you guys how to replace your cartridge today. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to rip this thing apart. All right, and we're back. So first things first, like, subscribe, click that little subscribe button, helps out. We look at multiple videos on our YouTube channel. Check us out at ePoolSupply.com. We have these clear comforts for sale. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the clear comfort system, pretty sweet system. It tells you when these cartridges go bad, the blue side. So what I'm gonna show you guys today is how to replace that. So when you guys actually order your new one and replace this cartridge, it's super simple. So first things first, when this lights up, I think it goes white. That's solid. That means it's working. That means the power is actually working and the cartridge is working. And then over here, we're gonna have a green, yellow, and red light. So when it's green, it'll light up green. That means you're good to go. Green means go. So we wanna actually do nothing at that point. When this thing lights yellow, that means you've got about 30-ish days left on your cycle before this power pack, not the power pack, but the cartridge needs to be replaced. And then when it's red, you got like days. That's it, and then it's dead. Your AOP is not producing the hydroxyl radical. It needs to be replaced. So around that yellow mark, place your order. Get your cartridge ordered, so that way when it does turn red, you make a seamless transition and you're still producing that AOP hydroxyl radical. So what we're gonna wanna do here today is first things first, you wanna kill that breaker. Turn the breakers off to this system. I don't want you guys getting shocked by any means. Second of all, I want you guys to loosen the clamp up here, and then this thing will just slide right off. So again, this thing loosens and tightens, and this will slide right off. If you have this thing mounted to the wall, obviously your orange one is gonna have to be mounted to the wall, but if you don't have the blue one mounted, it'll just slide right off. But if you have it mounted under your screws in the top and the bottom, and then what you wanna do here, it's as easy as just lifting up. Lift up, pull it off, now it's free. Clear Comfort provides recycling programs for these. They're going to ship you a label. This is currently, I don't know if you're watching this 20 years from now where things might be different, but there's like they're huge on recycling and sustainability. So they're going to want this thing back and swap you out with a new one. So yeah, once you place your order, I think they give you a label, and hopefully in the future, ePoolSupply will be able to do this for you. So when you get your new pack out of the mail, you take your brand new pack. There's two little slots on the side here, and there's two pins on the side over here. You match those up. It's like probably, I don't know, 1/4 inch higher. Match it up, slide it down. So then from there, you're gonna bolt this thing back to the wall if you guys are mounted to the wall. And then from there, you take your pin. There's a notch in the top and a notch inside here to make sure they match up. So it pushes down, and then this guy will tighten. And that's it. This is how you replace your cartridge for your Clear Comfort AOP system. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Again, like, subscribe, helps out. Click those links below. Buy these things directly at ePoolSupply.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.